Oh look, the beer with the beer shirt. I love that kind. Yeah. So that's pretty nice. Have a shower, little closet. I guess for towels and that kind of thing. I like the tile. It's kind of cool. And the fan that runs with the incandescent lights. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, Dick! Here it is.
This is where it all happened.
Yeah. This is where it all happened. Wow, I didn't think it was here. Like I don't know. It seemed like it was in a different place. It's like it's in the bathroom. Another little, I guess. No, there's actually a shower here too.
Yeah, this is part of the first edition. Originally, the washer and dryer were right there, and the bathroom was separate.
Same countertop as the other one. It looks like.
Gorion.
Yeah. Interesting thing by the Washingmatory is the fact that it's single outlet.
Yeah.
For each one. It's rare that you actually see a single outlet.
I know.
Anywhere. And just the fact that one for the washer, one for the dryer kind of thing. Are they on separate circuits?
I think. I'm not sure.
Okay. Either way. And the water kind in there, and then it just drains in the wall to flood the house out. You know, I know. Yeah, that's how it is. I know. I've seen that kind. And the... even 7-day-old stains. Well, what if it's 8 days? Well, you should have a lock, I guess.
I guess so. As soon as the 24-hour mark hits, oops, sorry, not coming out now.
Yeah, not anymore. So here it is.
Here it is.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is the deal. It looks smaller or something. Maybe just because of the area or something.
Yeah, I think
no
it's
idea.
like it's like a standard area. It's not like all set up like yours is.
Yeah, it just seems. I don't know. It just seems smaller or something.
All these standard direct drives are made the same tub size. So.
Yeah. It's got the wibbly wobbly like mine. They all, they're all that way, obviously. And the buttons you showed in a video, how they're starting to kind of wear away.
But they work perfectly.
Yeah, but you never change it from warm, you bastard. I wish I fucking had warm.
Well, actually, we do hot warm with whites.
Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
The warm is what helps keep it
clean. Yeah,
the warm.
The clean touch. My dad's dryer is like this, but not with the. It's a white panel instead of brown.
Yeah, well, I think white came after this one.
That could be. Mm-hmm. That could very well be. Yeah, and yeah, that's pretty cool. And then the size. Oh, it's just like a fucking slider.
Yeah, it's a slider.
Wow.
That's called the infinite selector because you can put it anywhere you want.
Yeah, you really can. That's really something. I'm not going to start it, but I just want to turn it. Oh, yeah.
That's what you call mechanical.
Yeah. So I don't know where you want that.
You just leave it like that. That's fine.
Right. Do you hear the dead silence? Listen. Don't breathe. Just listen. I think the cats are fine.
Yeah, the cats are playing.
Great, thanks. No, but it's like... Fuck.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, we'll try it again in a minute. And a curtain for the door to go, and obviously you can only see me because it's dark outside.
Yeah.
Well, you can kind of barely see the window out there, like that. And the... interesting that there's an outlet right there. That's kind of nice, too.
Yep. We used to have an air freshener in there, but then we just stopped using it.
Yeah. And the vent there, that's kind of an interesting place for it. But it's out of the way because the door obviously opens this way.
Yeah, exactly. So it doesn't hit anything.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's an interesting unit because it actually has one bulb and then another smaller bulb.
Yeah, I'm not sure why they made it like that, but apparently they did.
Huh. That's kind of interesting. Mm-hmm. See, that's it. Now I don't know if you could hear the little buzz.
Oh, yeah, I can always hear it.
There's that little buzz that you didn't get before when we were standing on the other side, kind of. So, yeah, that's kind of cool. These bulbs are a fucking fortune, though.
Well, actually, on the 3 original lights, these bulbs are still original.
Huh.
They've never been replaced.
Look. I love the mirror in it.
Yeah.
It's kind of interesting because you kind of can't see yourself, but it's like twice as big counter
What's
space.
too bad is before we had our...
Here, well, just put the plate of vegetables... Oh, wait, no, you don't eat vegetables, sorry. Put the plate of meat right over... Oh, wait, you can't.
Yeah.
What's kind of cool, though, definitely.
Yeah. What's too bad is before we had our counters changed to granite, there was no backsplash, so the mirror used to go all the way down.
Oh, yeah, that would have been different indeed. Yeah, I kind of like the little backsplashy thing there. So he was just saying these used to be motorized up here, but now they're manual kind. And this is your dad's telescopes?
Yes, he hasn't brought it out for quite a while, but sometimes he brings up a smaller one to look at the moon.
This big one is really Mead. I remember Mead. We used to sell.
I think is Mead still around?
Yeah, Mead's still around. Yeah, that was a nice unit. The Mead units were really, really nice. I mean, this looks like a really nice telescope. That'll be kind of interesting. Look at the architecture, people. I know it's dark, but they don't believe in lights around here or something. Look at the architecture. You have the window there, then the vestibule at the top of the steps with the skylight, and then you can shout and you hear the echo! The echo! 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 So here's the ooh la la chandelier. Put that guy on.
Sure.
Oh, the incandescence. Damn.
You know what I like
That's
about
how many bulbs are in there? Like 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, I believe.
8. Okay.
Yeah. I think they're like 40 watts.
Yeah.
You can still get 40 watts, can't you?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That you can get. But I wonder what this would look like if they had like higher wattage CFLs or something.
I don't think it would look as good because I think the clear bulbs kind of give a little bit of a different look to it. You know what I'm saying? It kind of goes with the glass.
Oh, definitely. Yeah. Oh, I agree. Oh, and the Long Island thingamajobber here. There's the sound. We're kind of like somewhere in the water there because it's extra ooh la la. So I don't know, but anyway, so that's kind of cool. Mechanical timer. Listen. Yeah. Yeah, that's been here. That's got to be original.
No, actually, we've had this. We used to have. Do you remember a long time ago they had these weird outdoor light timers that had like the little tiny red LED on top that you could see?
And it had a little knob on it in the thing?
No, there was no knob. I think you had to. Oh, I think you had to open something. Then there's a tiny switch on the bottom. No, the 12 inch.
Not really.
Then my parents just got rid of it. They changed them to regular switches and applied it to this timer here.
Okay. Bathroom kind with the fan. That's kind of a noisy one, eh?
That's the original fan. So.
Oh, all right. Well, that means it's moving a lot of air. And then the mirrored shower that's not here.
Yeah.
That's the 74th edition they'll put in. So I don't know, whatever. Tile. The tile's really. I like the colors in it and shit like that. And it's like, it's got that shiny...
Yeah, glossy.
That glossy finish. I like that a lot. I really like that. It almost has like a rainbow sheen.
Yeah, you can kind of see that.
I don't know if you can tell right there. Probably not with the camera. It's, I don't know if you can tell. I see it kind of right here. There's a little rainbowy thing, but whatever. All lights out time. Okay, here's the, could you imagine the luxury litter boxes from, and this is where the wood floor was replaced. You can't see with the glare from the light, but it's real nice. Yeah, definitely. Very nice flooring, very nice job. They did a great job with it. And these lights though, because the lights are here, if I just take a step back, to just make it so you see from the curb, so it adds the extra 4 million to make it look that way or something. Definitely interested. Where do you buy things like, and you just got CFLs in them, that's fine.
Yeah.
Where do you buy that?
I don't know. They got these back in '90, so I don't know.
Maybe they were made then, I don't know. But
I purposely put the bright white CFLs in because it's the white light. It's not the yellowish light. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, definitely, yeah. But then put the other light on like you had before.
That one's a CFL.
Yeah, I saw it. Took a moment. Yeah, but this is what you get, people.
No,
it's not a nighttime room. This is a daytime room because of all the window kind.
Yeah.
And that the Billy Joel glass houses kind of thing. And you go through there. Oh, you have a geode. Is it called?
My dad would know better than I would.
It's got a little placard here. Oh, it's Amethyst. You're right.
Oh,
Amethyst. Nice. Yeah. I was always fascinated by that.
Nice.
Always fascinated by that. How ugly on the outside and pretty on the inside, and it's nature's way. Just in the earth to have. I love the contemporary rug. You can see this obviously in Sharkie's video about when they did the floor here. and that. And I really like the table. It's just, you know, and it's got that like, I don't know what that's made out of stuff.
I don't know either.
But this vase is like, it's like a perfect match for that. And I was just saying, it's like, where do you buy this stuff? I don't know.
You know, that might have come from Italy actually, but I'm not sure.
That if it's imported like that,
Yeah.
that's a whole different ball
I
game.
don't remember.
But this is like heavy as
is.
fuck. This thing
It's not
weighs a
being-
ton.
it's
It
not
looks
being
like,
flat.
oh god, the cat will get up there and knock it down, and that's the end of the whole table, you know. But no, I mean you can't. You could barely lift it, you know.
Yeah.
Playground the kittens have.
Yeah.
Look at the fucking playground. Oh, here's the dining room. I didn't really see.
Yeah, here, I'll turn the overhead lights on for you.
Oh, so you could eat in here. There's light in here. But yeah, and another, like, where do you buy that?
That's definitely from Italy. That's
Okay.
definitely from Italy. Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's beautiful, but even so, yeah. God, you got a lot of crystal. Fuck, that is a
A lot
lot
of
of
that came from
crystal.
my grandma actually.
That's beautiful. That is a lot of crystal. Damn. Wow, and the bottle of amaretto there. That's
Yeah,
definitely
something
from
like that.
Italy. There's no question on
Oh
that.
yeah, no, around here you never get that.
Yeah, no. And all the decanters, very, very nice. And the other stuff here, really, really, really nice stuff. I'd be afraid with the cats.
They don't jump on there, and
That's-
Stripes and Whiskers never did. So
That's good, especially with the nuts there. Fuck, my cats would be up here. They'd be like, "Oh, this shit's mine. Clear it right off." You know? I don't care what's on the floor. What are these red spots I left? I don't know. Shit.